Was the baddest geek around. He's been doing everything but make his parents proud. He tried his best to study hard, but still he got too drunk. Won lots of beer pong tournaments, but still he had to flunk. His ex-girlfriend got a girlfriend. It's Barbie trying to feed him Ken, but when the white ball is the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the pong dance. The pong dance. He does the pong dance. Because you know I'm about that bass, about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, about that bass, no trouble.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you.
I need your love.
Birds flying high, you know.
He's got the body of it now.
It doesn't matter what I've said.